Hello everyone. Short day today. Today we don't need a learning objective today because we're basically just going to be carrying on from yesterday's work. Now I'm not going to go over what we did yesterday because of course we got the video we had. If you're not too sure about some of the questions today, you might want to go back and check yesterday's video, because otherwise I'd just be repeating myself. So all we need to do today is the short date. I just want to run through one thing with you first of all. You say, for example, you were asked to do a scale drawing of a garden which is 4.2 meters long and 2.7 meters wide, and you have to do that in your book. Now there is a question today, I think it's question 8 on page 201, where you have to do a scale drawing based on and this gives you the information in advance. Now what you've got to do, you've got to be careful about what scale you're going to be doing. Okay, so if you want to be 4.2 meters long, so if you think about it, that is 420 centimeters long, and then that is 270 centimeters wide. So if you're thinking, oh, hang on, and what I could do there, I could do 1 centimeter equals, on the 1 centimeter on your scale would be equal to 10 centimeters in real life. Okay. Therefore, if you're in real life, if the wall is if the garden is 420 centimeters long, therefore how am I getting from there to there? I'm timesing by, from there to there, timesing by 42. Okay, so I'd have to do the same on the other side, times by 42. So that would be 42 centimeters on your scale. Now remembering, please, that your page in your book is only 30 centimeters long. So it would be no good on a question like this to use this scale. Okay, so think about the scale beforehand. What you could do perhaps is, and have a little bit of a trial and error before you start drawing. Work out your scale before you start drawing anything, please. Okay, is maybe you could make that, so once it, maybe make that 20 centimeters. What would that be then? So if you've got a 420 centimeter long garden wall, that's the longest part, then you can see, well, how am I getting from there to there? I'm timesing by 21, have to do the same there, times by 21. So that would be 21 centimeters long. So perhaps then you might want to put that in. If you're thinking that's still going to be a bit long for your page, you can change it again, can't you? So just be careful when you come to working out a scale for yourself. Remember, you have to fit that into your page, so that does take a little bit of thought on those sort of questions. Okay, right, that's kind of it for me today. You'll be delighted to know you don't have to listen to me droning on anymore. These are the questions I'd like you to do, please. Okay, so you only need to put the date in today, to whatever date you're doing your work in. Can you do them in these order? Because although you're going back to this page, they do get trickier. Okay, so really question 3, 4 and question 5 on these pages are, you know, again, similar to the sort of work we did yesterday, a little bit trickier. And then you've got the 2 extension questions. Don't be afraid of those extension questions, especially if you finish this quite early. Okay, question 9 will require a compass, and it's actually a little bit like the loci work we did, a little while ago, isn't it? So you will need a compass for that. Okay, any other drawings, you will need a protractor for question number 8. Okay, so make sure you've got that with you. Okay, a protractor for that, and careful with your measure and your angles, please, on this one in particular. All right, okay, that'll do us for today. Good luck with that. Please, any questions, email me, and we'll move on tomorrow to bearings. Okay, good luck with that. Bye.